Hi, and welcome to the Mend Your Mindset with Music and Sign Language course. My name is Shasta, and I'm so excited that you are interested in taking this. And the reason that I am offering this course is because I truly believe that the number one thing that we need to be focusing on is our hearts and our minds. So whether you're a student or you're a parent that's watching this, my passion and my motivation is to empower your heart and mind. So we're going to be covering all kinds of exciting things about how your mind works, how your brain works, the Nuer-pathways, the things that help us remember, the things that inspire us and motivate us, and how we can remember the things that are important to us. So we're going to cover those things. We're going to learn all about the brain and psychology and all that fun stuff. And it's going to be fun because it's going to actually relate to you, and you're going to find ways to relate this information. So it's going to be something that you're going to find interest in. And then from that, we're also going to be studying sign language and how to sign songs. Yay! Signing songs is so much fun. And so when we do that, you actually have to learn a little bit of English in there. I know. So instead of diagramming sentences and learning all the parts of a sentence and all that, we are going to take song lyrics and we're going to digest and dissect these song lyrics. And we're going to learn the difference between what a word is and what the concept is, like what a phrase actually says in the words, but what does it mean? So we're going to dig deep. We're going to learn about synonyms and antonyms, and we're going to learn about how to find ways to interpret what you're listening to and put it into a way that is visual through sign language. So it's going to be a lot of fun. It's going to be really exciting. I am really happy about this. So I just want to encourage you to go through the welcome information, and if you have any questions at all, shoot me an email. I do want to help you. I do want to make this an enjoyable experience for you. This does count for, I set it up to count kind of for school credit if you need to have it on a transcript. If you're just doing your own homeschool thing, you don't need it, great. But if you need to have a transcript, I am a certified teacher in Florida and Michigan. I've been teaching for a lot of years online and in the classroom. And so I am just ready to help any way that I can. I feel like this is the best way that I can help students learn and grow and help their hearts and minds. Because when you're happy and you're motivated and you're inspired, things can happen. Great things can happen in your life. And that's what I want to happen for you. So welcome again, and I will see you in the course.